I had someone email me and ask me about how to do the dark corners in my videos. So this is the effect we're looking at. This is the before, so that's without those dark corners. You can see how they're not dark here. If I go to a later part of the video, I've got this effect turned on and see that darker effect there. So that's what we're looking at. Let me show you how to do this. Hit the tilde button in Photoshop to get out of there. I'm going to go to this earlier place where there's not those dark corners. Let's make this a little bit bigger so we can see what's going on. And we want to select this video, and we want to, under Effect Controls, we want to go to Opacity, click that little X, that square. You could actually do this one if you wanted to, but we're going to do this one. You could also do this one if you wanted a weird shape, but I want a square. So we go into here, and to be able to work with this a little bit better, I'm going to highlight that box, hit the tilde so that is bigger. And normally what you would do is go all the way to all four corners, and I'm going to show you in my, I don't actually do that, because what got me started down this path actually is the way my room is set up. There's a sliding glass door to the right of what is this frame here. So that's why this right part of the frame is so light. This part in here, that's what I was bothered by. I really wasn't trying to do the rest of it, but then after I stumbled onto it, I decided I like that look. So let me get rid of most of that there. And if we left it that way, it would just be a real sharp line, but we don't want that. So we hit the tilde again, and now I want to go down to mask feather, and I get this around 170 or so, 80 pixels. And let's go back here and look what it looks like. And let's turn this off. Okay, now we can see what we're doing. And that's about the effect what we're looking at. Hope that's helpful. Thanks.